Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to install Discord on Windows 11. Let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the official Discord website, discord.com. On the home page, click the Download for Windows button. This will start downloading the Discord setup file to your computer. Once the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Discord setup.exe file. The installation will begin automatically. Wait a few moments while Discord is installed on your Windows 11 PC. After the installation completes, Discord will launch on its own. Now, you'll see the login screen. Enter your email and password to sign in, or click register if you don't already have an account. Once logged in, you can join servers, chat with friends, and use voice or video calls directly from your computer. And that's it! You've successfully installed Discord on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.